Seniors, this is Mr. Steinkamp again coming to you live with another riveting video. This video I'm going to talk about money. Yes, I now have your attention. We're going to talk about scholarships. So if you go up here on colleges, scroll down to scholarships and money. Here are the 4 tabs that you can look into getting scholarships. The first 2, scholarship match and scholarship list, are going to be our more local scholarships. You can be competing against people just from your school, Ankeny High School, or Polk County. The national scholarship list, that's going to be national. So other students from other states are going to be going against you for those scholarships. So right now we'll start with scholarship match. And the matching criteria in this example, I'll be matched for the minimum GPA for some of these scholarships. You can click on these scholarships over here, get information on who the primary contact person is, the application form, and most importantly, the deadline. The deadline is something that you really need to pay attention to, because if I would submit this application on March 3rd, there is no way that I'll have a chance to get that scholarship. So if we go back, one I want to point you to is the Dollars for Scholars. They do a great job of giving out money to our Ankeny students, and I would encourage you all to fill these out. You're going to click on this link to fill that out, and the application deadline is March 25th. You will be prompted to have a contact information or a contact person for the school. You're going to want to put your counselor, and please use our jason.steinkamp@ankenyschools.org. Do not use our staff one. That will kind of mess up some things on our end. So please do not use the staff one. But I would highly encourage you guys to fill out the Dollars for Scholars scholarship. The other one, if I go back into scholarships and money and do scholarship list, this is also going to give us a list of scholarships that I can apply for. It's going to say the maximum award. You can also sort this by the deadline. As of right now, these are all up to date on ones that are coming due soon. But I would pay attention to the dollar amount that you're wanting to apply for, as well as, most importantly, the due date. Please feel free to ask for a letter of recommendation. Fill out that brag form to a teacher, to a coach, or whoever is going to give you the best opportunity to get these scholarships. And please contact your counselor if you have any questions. Thank you.